Maybe your shoes just need a little love. This is Zen Shoe Therapy. I show you how I do it, and all stuff you need. Come with me the way from dirty to shiny. Repair the scratches, condition the leather, and make some shoe shine. Watch the transformation, before and after, from old and dirty to shine like new. The shoe cleaning adventure starts here and now.